All right, so I'm going to talk to you about how I'm making over $7,000, almost $8,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Actually, make more than that, but this is just one account we're looking at now. The last few videos, if you've been following along, I've been sharing a little bit more about how you could get into Warrior Plus affiliate marketing. So the account you're looking at right now, it's a software slash site that allows vendors, product creators to come in and create products and sell them, and then it also allows people to come up and sign up for an affiliate program to actually promote the product. So you actually have two sides. You have a product creator trying to sell a product, and then you have affiliates that want to sell that person's product. So it's actually a win-win for both parties involved. And you can see that when I hover over here, that the money that I'm actually making, $7,535, is affiliate marketing. That is literally just getting a link, getting approved to promote somebody else's product, sending free traffic to that link. People sign, go purchase the product, and you don't have to do any customer support, anything else. You don't even have to do any of the sales. All you have to do is just send traffic, and then people sign up. Some people sign up, and then you make money, right? So that's kind of how affiliate marketing works. Well, what I want to show you in this video is show you another strategy where, I tell you that I make money with other softwares and doing it a different way. It's not just Warrior Plus, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. But I wanted to lead off to show you, hey, we've almost got $8,000 sitting in this account right over here, but we can also come over here to another place. It's called Impact. And if I go to reports over here, and maybe I want to go like this, and I'm just going to show you some of the money that we've made on a completely different affiliate marketing network. So what I'm going to do is come over here, and I'm just going to go, let's just go click on this year and push apply. Now we've made over $100,000 with this platform, but you can see right over here. So we have 19,000. So we're almost $20,000 on this particular platform in 2025, right? And I've been using this platform for about 4 or 5 years, and we've made it well over $100,000 on this platform as well. But what I want to show you is, I haven't been doing a lot of promotions on this particular network, but you can see over here when you look at total earnings, $130 that day, and then you have multiple days with just nothing, and then all of a sudden, boom, $100 there, $52 there. You have your links, and look at the traffic over here. It's free traffic, $25, $28. So you're making money right here. $500, that would be a sponsored type ad. Someone's paying me to create a video, and they're using this platform to pay me as well. So that's where that 500, that big payout right there, $500. And actually this month, believe it or not, that same company is going to sponsor 3 videos. So it's going to be $1,500 in just sponsored ads. That's another huge benefit to creating YouTube videos and making YouTube a huge part of your online business, okay? So you can see over here, then 100 right there, $177 right there. So you can see that when we're kind of doing more heavy promotions, you can see right over here, the traffic right there is in the double digits, like 10 to 20 or so. And then when I haven't done a video in a couple of weeks, you can see that it drastically drops off, and we haven't even had 10 visitors clicking on our links in the last couple of weeks, and we still get a $130 payout right there, a $100 commission right there. So I hope that you're seeing the true potential of this, that you do not need a lot of traffic. You do not need a lot of traffic to make money. And I make a full-time living doing this with YouTube and free traffic, sending to other people's products, getting clicks, and making money. So it's very, very powerful. You just turn on the free traffic of YouTube, and you give value to your viewers and subscribers, and you just be honest, and that is pretty much all there is to it. So what I want to show you right now is, so that's the traffic. There's literally almost no traffic going, but it's very, very targeted, very powerful traffic. So don't let this amount of traffic fool you, because it's obviously, we got 3 visitors, we made 1 sale, and it was actually a almost $900 sale. We're not even making that much per, on the actual transaction. It's actually a pretty low percentage that we're getting paid, but it's still worth it because you're still making $130 right there, right? These EPCs, so estimated, how much I make per click on that day was extremely, really, really good, right? We sent 3 visitors and we made $130. So between those 3 clicks, I made $43 per click. We had a 33% conversion rate. So these are extremely good numbers. Now what I want to show you with this low amount of traffic, I'm going to come up here to a different report, and I'm going to show you by brand, right? So we can come over here and you can actually select this report. Now remember, we're in Impact. Now, I've done other tutorials in the past, and actually I'll show you just briefly how you can go and find companies and softwares and services and so forth to become affiliates with this platform right here. So you can see that the most money that I make is in fact with AppSumo. I'm a big AppSumo affiliate, one of their top affiliates, and so I have a channel that's dedicated to that. And so that's why that's ranked number one. But when we come over here, I'm going to go and just click on this year, and because I want to see base 44, and that's what I really want to talk about the rest of this video. So you can see right over here, look, base 44 right here. You can see that we have total earnings $300. We've sent 157 clicks. We've had 18 actions. So people have signed up for free accounts, and 3 of those 18 people converted to a paid account, and they pay me $100 for every time that someone signs up for a real account. So you can see $300 there. It's not a bad EPC when you really think about it. Anything over $1 is actually really, really good, and an 11% conversion rate. So look at right here, base 44. This is another software right here that I've made $300 on. Now I'm going to show you how I found this, right? So we can come over here, we can go to Discover, and we can find brands, right? So if I go to Discover inside of Impact, you can sign up a free account here, and you go to Find Brands. Now we can come over here, and you can go and start looking. Like if you want to build a YouTube channel about teaching people how to play piano, look at this, Simply Piano. You could become an affiliate, build an entire YouTube channel around teaching people how to play the piano, if you know how to play the piano, obviously. And those are the kind of videos that can really, really blow up on YouTube, by the way, when you have a unique skill that most people don't have, and then you go out there and you actually teach in a really simple, easy to learn way, then you can go out there and you can actually start building a real brand, getting real visitors, real subscribers, real traffic from YouTube, and then you're going to need something to sell to them, right? Well, you can obviously put together a course and teach them that. That's probably something you're going to want to do in that particular niche. But another thing, just to get you started, while you're creating your videos, before you have your course created or whatever, just throw in one of those applications like I just showed you. Throw in that Learn How to Play Piano app right over here. You're just going to click on that, and then boom, you're going to go and sign up. So we'll just click on that for fun. It's going to do a little pop out. It's going to show you what their EPC, 59% acceptance, 59% of people that go in here and try to get accepted. I do recommend, if it's something specific like this, you're going to want to show them, hey, I've created a YouTube channel. Here's 5 videos. I do know how to play piano, and I just want to promote your tool in my YouTube videos. You're probably going to get accepted, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to apply. You're going to earn $40 per subscription, 0 on signups and trials, right? But this is going to be a recurring. It's going to be great. You're going to tell them why you think that you should be accepted into the program. You're going to push apply right there. Very, very simple. This platform's you do get a 100% response rate right here. So you will find out sooner or later if you got accepted or not. And they do have a 30-day EPC. Anything over $1 is really a good EPC. I don't like to see EPCs at like 10 cents or less, or 50 cents or something like that. It just means that they have a really hard time converting their product, right? But when you see between $1 and $2, that's pretty standard for a pretty good offer. Okay, so that's kind of how you do that. And then what it's going to look like, right, is you can go over here to your you can go back to Discover, and you can go into My Brands. Once you have established and you've gotten accepted as an affiliate, you're going to come over here and you're going to see this, right? And so that's where you're going to see, like AppSumo, I'm accepted into their affiliate program. I've made thousands and thousands of dollars with them, right? You can see all these other ones. And to be honest with you, I haven't really pushed a whole lot of other stuff over here with these other brands. I've made a little bit of money with SEMrush and everything. There's a very expensive product. It is hard to convert. I mean, their minimum product's $140 a month, and they only pay you one time. So it's really kind of it's not my favorite affiliate program. Now, Base 44 as well, I would actually rather have reoccurring commissions, but unfortunately we had to go with what we have. Base 44 is super great platform for no code vibe coding, so building apps and selling them online and so forth. They just pay straight out $100. So even if someone signs up for a $20 plan, they're paying me $100. So it's pretty good. It's the $100 mark. It's a pretty good payout. Like I said, I would rather it give me like 30% reoccurring commissions, but the $100 per sale is also really nice because they don't have to buy a $100 product in order for them to pay me $100 of that sale, which is nice. So then you'll just go over here and you'll grab your affiliate link, right? And then what you'll do is you'll go over, and I recommend being a part of the program, in which I actually do use Base 44. I do pay monthly for it, so it makes sense. I always recommend that you sell and promote products as an affiliate that you actually use in your business. Build a niche channel on YouTube around products that you already use, and then promote those and build an affiliate marketing business around those high quality products that you're already paying for and already using. Now, if you're not willing to pay for the product yourself, then how can you expect for other people to sign up, right? And that's why I'm getting conversions. That's why when we come over here and we go into reports and we go in there by brand, this is why you're seeing that I'm starting to make conversions on this, because I've made a few videos, I've shown them the power of the tool, and then people are starting to buy it with my link because of the power of YouTube, and the videos I'm creating are showing some really cool, highly effective things that people can go out there. So this is the platform right here. You can go and you can take a look at their pricing. They have a free plan, then a I usually go, there's the monthly plan. So $20 a month, $50 a month, $100 a month, and $200 a month. This is all the stuff you get right there. Very simple. And then what I do is I go out there and I actually just start using the tool, and I can actually show you that right over here. Just to show you, I'll actually log into my account, and you can see we are logged into my workspace right over here. You can see that I have all these apps that I've built. We'll go to view all, and you can see, look at all these products that I have created with this tool that I can go out there and make tutorials on in my business and show them how easy it is to build the tool, the tool that comes to mind that you've been thinking about for a long time. You can actually make that come to life by using a simple tool like Base 44 and the power of AI and a large language model to build this. And this is an all-in-one. You can do everything under one roof. And so what I do is I just go simply take them through how I built the tool, or I build a tool right in front of them, and I use that for content for YouTube. And it's just so powerful that people are like, that is exactly what I'm looking for. And hey, I trust David's judgment. I've been subscribed, watching his videos for this amount of time. That's what he's chosen out of all the apps that are out there. That's the one that he's chosen to build his apps on. It probably is definitely one of the best. So I'm gonna go check it out. So they go sign up for a free account. They get in, they start building an app. They find that the free account is just straight up limiting. And so then they go and pay for it. And then that's where you're seeing these conversions of $100 a pop right there. Okay. And so we're doing all of this, right? How are we doing all this? We're doing it by way of YouTube. We're getting traffic to our YouTube channel. So we're going to go and I'll show you my channel that I just released a video 8 minutes ago. We're going to go click over here into LearnWire, and you're going to see my channel right here. And I'm going to show you, it doesn't take a lot of traffic. We'll show you the traffic right here. We're only getting 21,000 views per month. That is nothing, right? How many channels do you see get millions of views, right? Hundreds of thousands of views per month. Yeah, they're probably making money if they know anything about monetizing content on YouTube. But I'm able to make a six-figure income full-time with just this channel alone for 5 years running with this amount of views, just 20,000 views per month. Not a lot of subscribers, nothing major like standing out on this channel. If you were like a professional YouTube guru or consultant and you came and you looked at this, you'd be like, oh yeah, there's no way this channel's making money, but it makes over $100,000 a year from just 20,000 views per month, because these are laser targeted. And I just showed you all the proof, right? Boom. Most of the videos and most of the income that you're seeing on this, like right over here, this almost $8,000 right here, I can just show you the proof right here, right? You go in and you go into stats, and then we start looking at all these products that I'm selling. If I just go over the last 7 days, for example, and this loads, and here is $644 we made over the last week. Now look, Ohanashi ebook writer AI, and you can see royalty profits, right? So you can go back over here to my channel and we go into videos, and we'll start looking at this. So there's an ebook writer right there. So ebook writer, and there's ebook writer. Are we making money from these videos that we're putting on here? Yes. Then you come back over here and you start looking. Let's go look for something else maybe. Right over here, royalty profits AI versus ebook writer. Royalty profits AI review. Well, did we make money on royalty profits? Yes, no, but not in the last 7 days, but let's go over the last 30 days so I can show you that those videos actually worked as well. So royalty profits AI, it made me $1,106 from just these two 2 videos right here, just 2 videos. Then you come down here and you look at Ohonashi. There's 2 videos, only 2 videos I made right there. And then you can see right over here that we made over $5,000 from just 2 videos on this channel that's only getting 20,000 views. Look at this, 1,500 views there, 782 views there. So just barely over 2,300 views, we'll call it. And we were able to make $5,000 from just 2,000 views, right? So no one's teaching you this stuff. The power of such low amount of views that you can actually make really good money on YouTube with free traffic. If you just know what you're doing, you're sending traffic, you're giving real value. And if you want to learn exactly how to do all of this, click the link below, come and join my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program, be my next student. You can see right over here, we have calls coming up in 10 days. You can be on that call. You can get all the replays to all the calls over the last 2 years. Look, I just got 20,000 subscribers. We share our stories. We motivate each other right here. We uplift in the community. Gary made $961. This is his income report for October on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. He shares all this with proof and screenshots right there. We have live call replays. Every time we have a call, I share the replay as well. We give motivation. I check in. I ask what's going on. Almost $7,000 in my Warrior Plus account right here. Just showing for motivational purposes. I'm just fixing to push that button and withdraw that right to my PayPal account, right? We have a really good time in this community as well. When you need questions about the right bonuses to create, all this kind of good stuff, keyword research right there. You can go into the quick wins section over here and see all the results that people are getting inside of the community as well. So if you'd like to learn from somebody that really truly knows what they're doing with YouTube and affiliate marketing, and I'm going to teach you a different way than everybody else is teaching. Most people are going to tell you, hey, go out there, build a faceless YouTube channel. You're going to need 1 million views per month. You're going to make about $2,000 or $3,000 on your channel, and you're going to be working. You're going to be outsourcing voiceovers, script writing, a thumbnail design, doing all that, and then you're going to be managing and working your tail off, and you're going to, on average, for those faceless channels, you're going to be making about $2,000 to $3,000 per month. You're going to be putting that much money into getting the videos created, or you're going to be spending 4 to 8 hours creating each video, right? It's really, really tough. Believe me, I've done it. I'm actually doing one channel right now. If I end up getting it monetized and getting some success, I'll be sharing that at some point, but it's definitely way longer, harder path and more expensive path than what I teach inside of the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, which is just to record your screen, teach something you know, send people to a link, and make money. It really is simple, but most people won't be successful because they won't stick with it long enough to actually see results. So if you want someone that just shoots you straight, doesn't sugarcoat things, and just, really does care about their members, come and join the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. I'll see you as our next student. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.